Dangerous places on Earth. Top 10 dangerous places on Earth. There are many places on Earth that can be considered dangerous due to a variety of factors, including political instability, armed conflict, extreme weather, and disease outbreaks. Here are 10 examples of places that are considered particularly dangerous. War-torn Syria. Ongoing civil war and political instability have made Syria one of the most dangerous countries in the world. Yemen. The ongoing war and humanitarian crisis has created one of the worst humanitarian disaster and one of the largest famine in the world. Afghanistan. The ongoing war and political instability has made Afghanistan one of the most dangerous places on Earth, with high levels of violence and terrorist activity. Somalia. The country has been ravaged by civil war and terrorism, and is considered one of the most dangerous places in Africa. Venezuela. Political instability and economic crisis have led to widespread violence and crime in Venezuela. South Sudan. The country has been racked by civil war, which has led to high levels of violence and displacement of civilians. North Korea. The country's strict authoritarian regime and closed-off society make it one of the most dangerous places in the world. Mexico. Drug-related violence and crime are rampant in many parts of Mexico, making it a dangerous place for tourists and locals alike. Central African Republic. Ongoing conflict has made Central African Republic one of the most dangerous places on Earth, with high levels of violence and widespread human rights abuses. Iraq. The country is still recovering from decades of war and sectarian violence, and continues to be plagued by terrorism and crime. Please note that there are many other places that are considered dangerous, depending on the specific context and the individual's personal situation. And also, this list is not a definitive one, and the condition of these countries might change based on current situation.